internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have Inku box unboxing video, and can I just say that I don't know why, but the Inku box always arrives virtually pristine, like so nice. It doesn't have like a mountain of shipping labels all over. Like I just finished going through a Zenpop box and it has so many like labels. I don't know why, but this one doesn't, so it's just kind of like really pleasant to look at. Alright, so this is the August box. I really like the fact that it still has this. I know that the Zenpop have now turned it into a QR code so that you can just scan it up, and it makes sense because, you know, the environment and stuff like that. But I don't know, it's just nice having something tangible right here to refer to. But let's just get on with the unboxing. We have, ooh, Sarasa, got some pens. This pen, this looks like a pen. So what I'll do, pens will go at the end, we'll test them at the end. But let's, what is this? Pretty sure these is like a bunch of erasers, but just in the food, in the shape of all these like delicious festival food that you would get in Japan. It's so cute. Like, it's adorable, but it's completely non-functional. Because why would I use this to erase? I just couldn't. It's too cute. It's adorable. I really need to sort through my eraser collection because I've really started getting a nice healthy stash of them, and I probably don't need that many decorative erasers, but here we go. Here's all of them all lined up. This is so cute. Oh, adorable. Yeah, not functional at all, but it's pretty. Very decorative. We have more erasers. I think this is like a little candy machine where you turn the dial and then an eraser comes out. Let's open it up and see. I mean, these erasers are so small that I don't think you could actually use them, so I think this is really, again, kind of like a fun thing to have. These heads remind me of Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story, so I'm gonna hold it upright so it'd be a little harder to see. Oh, it does. There you go. Actually, a few came out, so this, there you go. It does work. That's cute. And I'm pretty sure there's gotta be a way yet. You can just pop it off and put it back in. Alright, so next up we have these really cute 3D stickers. Oh, that's so cute. And then this is washi tape. Okay. It's really big washi tape. I don't know why. It feels like it's quite large. Yeah, it's like a long, it's like a very big circumference. This is basically what it looks like. Cute and rainbowy. And we have a pouch. It's like a pencil case, a cat pencil case. And then the last item is a fan. These come kind of semi-regular, right? I have a few of them now. I collect them all because they're so good for makeup. And because they're made out of paper, I feel like they're not going to last very long. But if you look after them, they actually last a really long time. And they always come with envelopes. I guess you could write messages and send it to someone. This one is... oh, it's not paper, it's cardboard. It's a little different. To be honest, I think I prefer the other ones I have. See, like this one here, I don't know, it just feels a lot more authentic the way it's been built. This feels a little cheaper. Yeah, like this one looks cute. But it's really handy. Alright, let's go test out those two pens. I'm going to test out this one first. It's like a hot pink Sarasa pen. Supposed to say Inku crate, but I wrote Inku unboxing instead. I don't know if I have this one. I have like a whole set of them on my desk right here. These are like all my Sarasa pens, but I mean, if you look at it, I don't think any of them match this color, so this must be like from the there must be like a different range, and like a fluoro range or something like that. So I'll just add that in. That's convenient. And then this next one, I think I'm gonna have to, don't know how to pull this one off without tearing it, so I'm just gonna leave it for a second. I think this is a mechanical pencil. It's very odd shaped, but it's actually pretty comfortable because the whole thing is quite rubbery. There we go. Alright, yeah. I'm not sure if long term I could write with this, but it is comfortable initially to hold. It's a watermelon pencil. But yeah, that is everything in the August Inku box. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.